Hello everyone, let's dive into the HYTE Y70 Touch, a case that's not just about housing your components, but about making a statement. This mid-tower ATX case arrives with a striking modern aesthetic, immediately catching the eye with its panoramic glass design and dual-chamber layout. The model we're looking at today is the Snow White version, offering a clean, pristine look. The centerpiece of the Y70 Touch is undoubtedly its integrated 14.9-inch LCD touchscreen. Boasting a 2.5K resolution, 682 by 2560, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, the display is sharp and responsive thanks to its 10-point multi-touch capability. HYTE's Nexus software allows for extensive customization, letting users personalize the screen with system monitoring, custom images, or even interactive widgets. The screen is also noticeably brighter, a 43% increase over previous models, making it more vibrant and easier to view. The case features a 4-slot vertical graphics card mount, complete with a color match canopy for the included PCIe 4.0x 16 riser cable. This ensures that your GPU is not only securely mounted, but also presented in a visually appealing way, maintaining a clean and uninterrupted aesthetic. Cooling is a major focus with the Y70 Touch. It supports up to a 360mm radiator on the side, with a generous 125mm of thickness allowance. The adjustable top can also accommodate a 360mm radiator, up to 68mm thick. Additionally, the case features cold floor cooling, allowing for either three 120mm or two 140mm fans, up to 32mm thick at the bottom, ensuring ample airflow to keep components running cool, even under heavy loads. The HYTE Y70 Touch is compatible with ATX motherboards and offers a bottom-mounted power supply configuration. The use of tempered glass and metal in its construction gives it a premium feel, and the overall design reflects a commitment to both form and function.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.